we guide you through how to fix Samsung not charging. First, check if your charging cable and power adapter are working by testing them with another device or using a different charger. Next, inspect the charging port for dust, lint, or debris and carefully clean it using a wooden toothpick or a can of compressed air. Then, restart your Samsung phone and plug it again. A simple reboot can resolve temporary charging glitches. If it still doesn't charge, try a different wall outlet instead of a power strip or USB port. After that, check if your phone is overheating and let it cool down before charging, since Samsung devices may temporarily stop charging when they are too hot. Next, go to Settings, open Battery or Device Care, and make sure there aren't any battery saving features interfering with charging. You should also check the software updates by going to Settings, Software Updates, and installing any available updates as Samsung often releases fixes for charging related issues.